You send a text. They reply, LOL, or yeah, or nothing at all. You didn't do anything wrong, except everything. Here's what nobody tells you. Texting is not typed talking. It's a completely different skill. You can be hilarious in person and still text like you're filling out a customer service form. Most people never figure out why their conversations keep dying. They just assume the other person got busy. They didn't get busy. You gave them nothing to work with. Let's fix that in 5 mistakes. Mistake 1. Dead-end questions. How was your day? Good. You? Good. Conversation over before it started. Closed questions get closed answers. Instead of, how was your day, try, what's the most annoying thing that happened today? Now they're not filing a report, they're telling you a story. Mistake 2. Replying instantly, every single time. Instant replies feel needy, and they kill anticipation completely. You don't need to play games, but being available like a chatbot makes you predictable, and predictable is boring. A little space turns your text into something they check for, not something they expect. Mistake 3. Zero personality in your words. Most people text like they're writing a report. Okay, sounds good. Same. That's not a conversation, that's a status update. Say what you'd actually say out loud. Exaggerate a little. Be specific. Same becomes, same. I've been horizontal on my couch since 6 p.m. and I regret nothing. One version gets ignored, the other gets a reply. Mistake 4. Never bringing up what they said earlier. If someone mentions their dog, a trip, an annoying coworker, bring it up again later. That's the whole secret. People don't fall for compliments nearly as hard as they fall for being remembered. How's the dog doing? Is he still destroying your shoes? Hits different than, hey, what's up? Mistake 5. Hiding behind haha and LOL. Those words are wallpaper. They fill space without saying anything real. Instead of haha yeah, react like you would in person. Wait, tell me you didn't actually do that. That's a reaction. Haha yeah is just silence with punctuation. So here's the one question fix you can use forever. Before you hit send, ask, does this give them something to respond to, or does it end the conversation? If it ends it, you killed your own conversation. Nobody else did it for you. Give people a reaction, not a report. A story, not a status. Something specific, not something safe. You don't need to be the funniest person in someone's phone. You just need to stop being the most boring one. Try this in your very next text and watch what happens to your replies.